Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about why skin therapy, skin products versus everything else that's on the market, and we're talking today about vitamin A+. When I made vitamin A+, and I formulate everything that's based on my clinical experience of what the skin needs, what's missing, what's maximal strength, what gives the best visible results. So why vitamin A+? First of all, I made vitamin A+ for people who don't have access to pharmaceutical retinoic, and also because what I found with people who have access to retinoic pharmaceutical is this provides other ingredients and it provides more visible results because the more retinoic, the better. So vitamin A+, it functions as forcing, it turns on the fibroblasts to force new collagen production. It makes them run the marathon to force new collagen production, to lift, tighten, help prevent lines, to push up old disease and aging to the surface so it can be exfoliated off. Visibly, it tightens. You will see the skin, even if you're not using pharmaceutical retinoic. This is pharmaceutical strength. This is physician strength. And it's got Indian myrtle, it's got ginseng, it has everything, glutathione, niacinamide. I've packed every ingredient, which is chirally chemically correct. So every ingredient is as maximal strength as you can make a skin product to function at the strongest visible results that you can provide to turn back, slow down the clock. So with this product, it's an essential piece of the puzzle at every age. For slowing down the clock, you must be using vitamin A+ because of the retinoic. Now, there are retinols on the market, but they're not stabilized. And if they're not stabilized, they're degrading in the bottle. So by the time you use it, you've got nothing. So when I make these products, everything is being considered so that maximal strength is what you're getting from start to finish. So everything is stabilized. Everything is about maximal strength, whether it be chirality, the stabilization, because again, there's a lot of things on the market that are retinols, but basically they're just betraying your trust because they've degraded in the bottle and they're not going to force the fibroblasts. They're not going to work is what it boils down to. So this is about turning back the clock, slowing down the clock. And when you combine it with vitamin C, plus when you combine it with exfoliating correctly, you are doing the most that you can do externally, and you will see it. And so then it's got all the maximal strength anti-inflammatories, again, chirally, chemically, maximally strength in its ingredients and its function and its stabilization. So from the time you open that bottle until the time you finish it, you've got maximal strength every time you put it on. You use it at night because that's when the body responds the most to vitamin A+, to forcing new collagen production. In the daytime, the skin's just protecting itself. At night, it's forcing new collagen production. So from your 20s on, you need to be using it. If you have acne, it helps decrease the ability to make a pimple. Enlarged pores, it's decreasing the ability, it decreases inflammation. So It is made to treat a variety of skin conditions as well as anti-aging. So hope this helps understand why you use what's worth entrusting and spending your money on. Thank you. Hope this helps.